if your lawnmower's being stubborn, try this little trick. Now, for the new Troy-built lawnmower that's about 4 or 5 years old, this one doesn't have a primer. This lawnmower does this every year. So if you don't have the time to clean the carb, take it all apart, this is what you're gonna do. Just to get it started, to mow a few times. You might only have to do this, you know, every other time you mow, but you're gonna take the air filter off. Get this off here. Okay. You can clean this out if you want. I don't think it's having much issues getting air to it, but there's going to be a little hole in there. Inside here is your carb, and that is what probably has some gunk in it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take some small engine carb / choke cleaner and just spray it in there. You can spray quite a bit. Before I put the air filter back on, I like to start it while it's open, so I know if I need to spray more in there. Now don't let it get too dirty before you put the air filter back. If the spark plug and the carb cleaner didn't work for you, you might have to service it and dig a little deeper. It might be a full replacement of the carb, or it might be that your engine never had oil, something like that. So hopefully that trick works for you and you guys can mow your lawn. So there's two types of lawnmowers. The $40 Facebook Marketplace one with a welded handle, pull starter stuck in there, and your new one that came straight from the shop, used it 2 years, you know, both sat on all winter. Which one do you think is going to start after sitting all winter first pull? Let's test it out. Prime it up a little bit. Let's see.